If your Nissan Versa keeps dropping its Apple CarPlay connection, it is usually a simple hardware issue rather than a failing head unit. Nearly 80% of intermittent CarPlay disconnects are traced back to damaged USB cables or loose port connections. Let us break down the troubleshooting steps to get your connection stable again. Start by inspecting your cable for physical damage and cleaning the charging port on your iPhone with a non-conductive tool. If hardware is fine, try deleting the Nissan Versa from your phone's CarPlay settings and repairing the device from scratch. Sometimes the head unit needs a reset, which you can perform through the vehicle's audio system settings menu. Most fixes are easy, but if the port itself feels loose to the touch, you might need a professional to replace the USB module. As you can see, the vast majority of these issues are resolved simply by replacing the cable. If you perform a factory reset, remember that you will need to repair all your Bluetooth devices afterward. Keep a high-quality cable in your car at all times to prevent these connection drops from happening on the road. Always start with the cheapest cable before assuming your car's infotainment system has failed. If this solved your Nissan Versa connection issue, hit like and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides.